welcome to Vlogcember. This is day number 7 and we are well underway in this month. It's going by really fast. We're back where I left you guys yesterday. If you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, I wasn't feeling too well because of my lymphedema. Today I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm still a little bit foggy, a little bit tired, still a little bit pain, and my foot is still swollen, but I'm doing much better than yesterday. It's just a process of time and all that, and I have been going to work, so instead of, I should be resting, but since it's not a bad episode this time, I decided that I will go to work and not miss any more sick days or have any more sick days. So we're back in the beauty room. Let me just close this door. It's just weird having that door almost open, a little bit open. We're back in the beauty room. I did go to work today, like I said. I just came home. It's 7 o'clock, 7:04. I'm about to hit the sack, but before I do, I did want to sit down and just give you a little recap of the day. Nothing extraordinary, but I did go by the post office, picked up a box of PR and 2 orders, which I am so excited to share. I really am excited for this. So the first box is a PR box from Roche-Posay. They do send me things from time to time, and I really do appreciate it. I love their cleanser, I love their moisturizer, their sunscreens. They're really great. So I haven't looked at it yet. Let's see. Ooh, okay, huge box. So here is all the goodies, and it says that hello SimplyDeeBeauty, we hope you're doing well. Here are a few products to add to your self-care regimen. We've included the following for you to test, and it gives me my list of things, and it says we hope you enjoy incorporating them in your skincare routine. And yes, I do love their products. So let me show you the first thing, the biggest thing here. It's a triple repair moisturizer cream and a tolerant hydrating gentle cleanser. I do love the cleansers and the moisturizers, so this is awesome. This is for normal to dry skin, and the moisturizer is for extra dry skin for body and face. Awesome. It's like they know me. They sent me an SPF, a 70 broad spectrum enthusiast UV correct daily lotion sunscreen, a Cycloplast Balm 55, a soothing therapeutic multi-purpose cream, the methicone skin protector for temporarily protecting and helping relieve cracked, chapped, shaved skin. It's good like for your arms, your elbows. Like my elbows are pretty good, but it's good for that area. And there is a little Cycloplast, oh, for the lips. Same thing, but for the lips. It helps to hydrate dry lips. Perfect for the winter. And a niacinamide 10 serum anti-aging concentrate clarifying balance. Awesome. Perfect for now. Thank you so much, Roche-Posay, for always keeping me, for pampering and keeping me hydrated. All right, the next 2 things are orders. I placed an order with Dior because I think it's called platinum, the highest level, and I had to do an order before a certain date to keep the platinum status. Plus I wanted to get a few more shades of their, I forgot the name, but one of their lipsticks. So that's what I'm going to unbox. Dior has like one of the most beautiful boxes in my opinion. I do keep them to storage things, but I have so many I give them to my mom as well because I really like their boxes. And it's all nicely wrapped. I might have ordered an eyeshadow palette too. I don't remember now. Ooh, and there was like a few gift with purchase as well. I remember that now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I ordered, and then I'll show you the gift with purchase. So the lipsticks is the Dior Addict Shine Lipstick. I have a shine lipstick and 4. There's 4 shine lipsticks. I do love this formula, and there were a few shades that I didn't have in my collection. Show you the, oops, like the way they look in their boxes. And I'm gonna take them all out and then just show it to you. Swatch, nice swatch in the back of my hand, not in my lips, but in the back of my hand. This is what they look like. And then we have shade 845 Vinyl Red. they do have a fragrance, a scent, which I like. It's like a burnt orange. Oh, it's so pretty. And they're like so shiny and glossy. That's Vinyl Red, number 845. And then we have 524 Diorette, like a lighter shade, like a nude. Oh, I love it. It's like a peachy brown nude. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this formula. Let's go on with 636 Ultra Dior. Another like orangey color, like a burnt brown. Very fall, but this, and once you swipe it, like it changes a little. It's like a coral. And then the fourth one is 527 Atelier. I think this is a nude, yeah, brown. It looks matte. Let's see when I swatch it. They all look like that, but once you swatch it, it changes. Yes, it reminds me, it's a little bit darker than the Chanel Boy. And also reminds me of the Dior, what's it called? Beige Oblique. It looks like a little bit like that. I like the way it smells, the fragrance. Some people might not like it, but I like it. No problems with it. All right, let's show the gift with purchase. Well, the first, the gifts with the order. I got a mini Sauvage. Once you order $150, I think, or $100, they give you a mini of the perfumes that you chose. I know that this is the perfume that I would buy for my husband, for my ex-husband, and but I picked it up because I love this fragrance, and I'm thinking of giving it to my nephew. He's 11, but you know, he's a little young man, and I think he's gonna enjoy it. I used to get it for my ex and for his son. His son's 8, but he used to love to buy his dad's perfume, but I'm gonna give it to my nephew this time. And I got a little Miss Dior, I think it is. My mom loves this perfume, and she has it, but I'll just give it to her so she could take it when we go travel, so she doesn't have to take the full size. So those are the gifts, the normal gifts like we purchased, but they had extra gifts. They had this cute red bag, which reminds me, I have to tell you guys what the purchase or the item of the day is for the giveaway. I was gonna completely forget about it again. Okay, it got stuck a little because it got stuck with the tape. There's nothing inside, but it's really cute. I love red. It's a small bag for like a small purse. And then there's something in this little bag, a Rouge Dior. This is like their holiday packaging. This is like their packaging for this year. It's so pretty. Oh, it's like a little, no, it's a little lipstick. $9.99 is it? Yes, a little $9.99. My favorite red lipstick. Oh, this is so cute. It's pretty. And there's something in this box. What? This is a perfume. I didn't order this perfume. Was this a gift with purchase? I thought I ordered the eyeshadow palette, but I didn't. At the end, I didn't order it. But they sent me a gift with purchase. What is this? I love surprises. This type of surprises, anyways. I guess it's because I kept my platinum status. They gave me like an extra gift. That's what I'm thinking it is. Another beautiful box. And how do we open this? It says La Maison of the House of Dior is pleased to offer you this special gift. An exclusive creation for a magical moment in Dior. There's like a little pamphlet and explains a little bit about Christian Dior and the J'adore perfume. Oh, this is so pretty. And then I'm assuming over here. Oh, it's like a little advent calendar. It looks like an advent calendar. And this should be the front of their main store in Paris, I would assume. And I'm like a little bit like hesitant to open it. Yeah, it's like little advent calendar, and it has 4 windows. Oh my god, how cute. I gotta take a picture of all of this. I'm not gonna take it out. It's a little J'adore perfume, which I do have that full size. It's one of my favorite nighttime perfumes. It's so exotic and classic. It's just really beautiful fragrance. And then there's another J'adore, because they came out with one that's called Intense, which I'm assuming it's that one. Oh my god, so cute. And then there's two of each. Oh no, there's like another one. I don't know if it's the same, but another J'adore. And then this is probably like the cream. I gotta read the pamphlet because I don't want to take them out. I want to take a picture for Instagram. This is so pretty. Thank you, Dior, so much. Maybe this tells me, oh, it's the Eau de Parfum. Yes, it's the Eau de Parfum Infinissime. The Dior Eau de Parfum, the normal one, the one that we all know. The Parfum de. So it's like it's more light. And the Eau de Toilette. Oh my god, how nice. It's 4 versions of the same perfume. I love it. It's one of my favorite perfumes by Dior. Thank you so much. This is so cute. I don't celebrate Christmas, but this is it's a really cute gift, and you could hang it from your tree or from whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna stop drooling and move on with my life. Move on with this video. Okay, the next thing, or the last thing that I want to show you of purchases, if you haven't followed me, I don't know if I showed it. Did I show it? Yes, I did show it in YouTube. The last purse that I purchased is this one from Chloe. It's the one that I use every day now. I have the Loewe one, which is black, that I wear when, you know, I'm dressed in black, but this is my everyday bag. I love it. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. A lot of things fit in here. I have my wallet, my keys, which is a lot. I have a bulk of keys. I have of things. I have my I can show you. I have my pill box. I have my keys. I have another little bag with like little, if I need a buttons, a nail filer. This is what I have. I have my wallet. I have my notary seal. I have an antibacterial. I have SPF from Shiseido. I have, you know, pencils, a lipstick, a mirror. I have some wipes. Like, I have a lot of things in here. And I love this bag. But the reason why I'm mentioning it is because I've had this wallet for a while. And I love from Kate Spade. It's really comfortable. It has like for my license outside. And for me, it's comfortable. I don't need a checkbook. I don't need a lot of space. It's practical for me. But since I got this new purse, I wanted to give myself like a little gift. And Saks Fifth Avenue had that gift card event, or that when you made a purchase, you had up to $500. No, it was more, but you had you would get money or credit for a future purchase. So I decided just to splurge a little and get myself a wallet that matches the purse. I'm so excited for this. And I bought it, and then with a credit that I got from Saks, I bought, what did I get? Was it Saks or Nordstrom? Now I'm so confused. I know I got like a bunch of shirts after. No, it was with Saks. And I don't remember what I purchased with the credit. I got a few dollars, like $100 credit. I don't know. I don't remember what I got, but I did get the wallet. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm very excited to unbox with you guys the new wallet that matches my purse. Here it is. Ta-da! Oh, it smells like leather. It smells delicious. I know it doesn't have like an outdoor pocket for my license, but that's okay. I just love it that it matches my purse. Look how cute. It's like the mom and the daughter, like a mini me. And then my mom's wallet, she needs a new wallet, and she has a big wallet, which for no reason. I'm like, Mom, why are you holding that big wallet everywhere you go? I'm gonna give her that red one, which is like relatively new, and I know she's gonna love it. This is the wallet. I got to move everything now to the new one. Let me see, is there anything in pockets? They don't have, oh, I just realized, oh, they do. I'm like, that's weird. They do have a pocket for dollars for the bills, and I just love it. Look how cute it is, and I love the smell. I'm going to move everything now, my old wallet to my new wallet, and do that right now after I'm done with this video. I'm really happy about my purchase. Like a little gift for myself. I placed the order after my separation. It was like, I just wanted to make myself feel better. And I know material things do not replace other things, but I needed something to pick me up, and I got it on a sale, so I'm good. Let me show you the item of the day and of the giveaway, and we'll wrap it up. Okay, so the items of the day is actually two. It's from Kopari. This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter and the Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream. This was sent to me in a PR, and they send me things every month, but I already have a couple of these. I have a lot of these, actually, different scents, so I decided to put one away from you for you guys. And this I purchased myself. This moisturizer is really good. I use it myself. I'm almost done and I have a backup, so I have another one. I purchased it for you guys, and I know you're gonna love it, so I'm including this in the giveaway. And because I showed it to you and I mentioned it to you, I'm going to include, where did I put it? I'm going to include the red bag from Dior that they gave me, and also the little red lipstick from Dior. I will give it to one of you guys since I already have the full size, and I just might as well give it to you guys with this cute bag. I'll put it inside and I'll put that in the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog as well. Simple, just showing you a few things. Nothing major happened to me today at work or anything like that, so I just wanted to sit down, chat a little bit with you guys, a little bit of updates. And tomorrow will be another day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.